Hello, everyone, and welcome to the latest installment in Applied Marketing Sciences 2014 Insights and Innovation Coffee Break webinar series. Today's presentation is entitled From Satisfaction to Action, How Voice of the Customer Improves Satisfaction Research. My name is John Burns. I'm the host of our series and your presenter for today. I have 15 years experience helping companies use Voice of the Customer to improve customer satisfaction programs and develop innovative products and services. I've conducted dozens of satisfaction research studies in consumer and business-to-business markets in the U.S. and internationally. I'm joined, as always, by my colleague, Patty Gaines. Patty is a manager at the company. She will make sure everything goes smoothly, and she'll help with questions at the end. Welcome, Patty.
Thanks, John.
We call our series Coffee Breaks because the purpose of each webinar is to provide a short presentation highlighting a key topic related to innovation and insights. These presentations aren't comprehensive, but instead touch upon key points we believe are important to successful innovation. All microphones are on mute to minimize noise so everyone can hear, but we will take questions at the end, and I'd encourage you to submit your questions by typing them in the chat window on the right side of your screen. Some experts say you should not use customer satisfaction as a measure of business success. They promote alternatives, often related to customer loyalty. The Net Promoter Score, or NPS, is a leading example of this. The debate about satisfaction versus other measures such as NPS is not within the scope of this presentation. I believe satisfaction, NPS, or potentially other measures can be useful, provided you set up your research program the right way. And that's what our presentation is about, helping you set up your satisfaction program the right way, no matter which measure you choose. The presentation will cover three topics. First, I'll talk about why it's critical to begin with a clear strategic understanding of what you want to achieve with your satisfaction research program. Second, I'll define voice of the customer and discuss how it makes satisfaction research programs comprehensive and actionable. Third, I'll present examples of how our clients have effectively used voice of the customer to develop successful satisfaction research programs. For decades, leading figures in industry, business schools, and management consulting have promoted the importance of customer satisfaction. 50 years ago, Peter Drucker, one of the pioneers of modern management, said, "The customer rarely buys what the business thinks it sells him. One reason for this is that nobody pays for a product. What is paid for is satisfaction." The logic here is simple. Satisfied customers are better than unsatisfied customers. Satisfied customers are more likely to purchase your products and services more than once, buy additional products and services from you, thereby increasing so-called share of wallet, and potentially even recommend your company to others. In contrast, dissatisfied customers are less likely to do all of these things, and they may even become so dissatisfied that you lose them as a customer entirely, and they speak negatively about you to others. Companies spend thousands or even millions on their customer satisfaction research programs. Some go even further than this, spending on print and video ads promoting their high satisfaction scores. For example, as far back as the 1970s, the auto manufacturer, Volvo, ran print ads promoting their high levels of customer satisfaction relative to those of major competitors. I'm sure much earlier ads touting high satisfaction scores also exist. More recently, companies such as Geico, the auto insurance firm, has done this as well. In the ad pictured, Geico uses its well-known gecko, the irreverent lizard with the British accent, to tout its, quote, 97% customer satisfaction rating. It's a little unclear exactly what that 97% means, but it's high and it sure sounds good. As an aside, I've often wondered about the gecko. If Geico sold it to the United Kingdom and ran these ads there, would the gecko switch to an American accent? Perhaps something southern sounding, like from Texas or Georgia? Who knows, but he'd certainly have to change, as the accent really adds to his irreverence.